Let me ask you something. You ever see a bird fly into a window?
What?
A bird. It has the whole sky, all this freedom, and bam, straight into glass. That's you, Mick.
What are you talking about?
Your credit score, your bills, all that is the glass. I fly through an open door, and that's what we are going to do today.
Do you ever hear yourself speak? You're like a self-help seminar or one of those motivational calendars.
Self-help yourself.
What?
You know what we're going to do? We're going to go down to that bank, rob it clean, get all that cash, no more ramen noodles, no more late rent, no more asking your delinquent brother for money.
Yeah? And what about when we get caught, huh?
Nick, do you want to keep living in fear, or do you want to live like a goddamn legend?
This is stupid. This is so stupid.
Only if we get caught.
Which we will.
Are you manifesting failure right now? I don't need that energy in my life, Mick.
Jules, they got cameras, guards, I don't know, silent alarms.
Oh no, silent alarms? What are they gonna do, silently call the cops?
Yes, Jules, that's exactly what they're gonna do.
You ever hear about the frog in the boiling pot of water?
Jesus.
And then it's too late when he realizes he's boiling.
Here we go. And I'm the frog, huh?
Bingo, you are the frog.
And you are?
The one that gets the hell out of there. You coming or not?
I can't.
I knew it.
Wait, Jules, what are you doing?
Being a smart frog.
And I'm coming with you.
All right, let's go, Boy Scout.
Why'd you get the good mask? You ready for this?
Ready?
Let's go.
Everyone get down!
Quick, pass me your keys.
Here you go. God, I'm not afraid. Here. Jules! Jules, what are you doing? Let me in.
You were never a frog or a bird. You were a scapegoat, Mick.
What are you talking about? That's not even a funny joke. Let me in.
You did well. You carried my cash. You put on your brave boy face. But you were dead weight, and everyone knew for a while.
Let me in, Jules. Let me in.
Goodbye, Mick.
Jules!